my god, it's the birds come to life. There's so many of them. We're surrounded. Oh my goodness. Right, Shadow? We're surrounded by the birds. There's birds out there. They're scaring me. Ah! Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Ah! There's even some on my roof. It's like Hitchcock's The Birds. Except in my own yard. Oh my goodness. Right, Shadow? Ah! Oh my gosh. We've been taken over. That's it, I'm moving. Oh my goodness. Ah! Shadow, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about all these birds? You should go out there. You should chase them away. Chase them away. Shadow, chase them away. Oh, my dad's coming home. He sees the birds are running away now. Oh! My dad scared the birds. You should have scared the birds. It should have been you, Shadow. It totally should have been you. Should have been you. Your dad's probably wondering why I have my iPod out right now. What, Shadow? Oh my goodness, Shadow! Shadow! Look who's home! Look who's home! Oh, there they go! Oh boy, Shadow. That was funny.